In the heart of the city, Chef Maria runs a small but popular restaurant called Taste of Tradition. Known for her delicious dishes, she believes that cooking is not just about food, it's about culture and community. Recently, we had a chance to chat about her passion for cooking and the importance of sharing meals with others. Maria grew up in a family where cooking was a daily activity. Every Sunday, her grandmother would prepare a big feast for the whole family. Those moments shaped my love for cooking, she says. Food brings people together. It creates memories. Her menu features traditional recipes from her homeland, each with its own story. When asked about the challenges of being a chef, Maria mentions the pressure of keeping up with trends. People want something new, but I believe in the value of tradition, she explains. To balance innovation and tradition, she often experiments with ingredients while staying true to her roots. For example, she recently created a spicy pasta dish using local vegetables and a traditional sauce. Maria also emphasizes the importance of cooking at home. Not everyone can go to a restaurant, but everyone can cook. It's a skill that can be learned. She encourages her customers to try cooking with their families, as it can be a fun and rewarding experience. Cooking together strengthens bonds, she adds with a smile. As we finished our conversation, Maria shared her favorite recipe for a simple yet tasty dish, garlic and olive oil spaghetti. It's easy to make, and it always impresses. She believes that cooking should be accessible to everyone, and she hopes to inspire others to find joy in the kitchen.